Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Thank you so very much for tuning in. So today is a simple set, so I'm just trying to skip through the boringness part of this video. So I'll be going in with some Astone Beauty Gel top coat. I won't be curing these because I will be applying these three oranges, very vibrant oranges. That's very bold too, but I'm loving it. So today I'm going for this set, this look here. I'm so in love. I wish it was longer. When I was doing the sculpting process, I thought the nails would have came out a little bit more longer than these ones, but I guess it is what it is. I guess I can try another time. So I mean, I have the, you call it now, I have the sculptured form from BTRD. I don't know if I'm even saying this right, but yeah, you know what I'm talking about. I might put up pop up on the screen so you guys can see it. I might try it out on that. But guys, I recently came up. I don't know if I am the one who came up with it. I probably have seen what's her name from Nail Nails. She did this, but I wasn't taking it serious until I did it, and it was so good. So good. I will spill the beans in my other video. So please do subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week every week. So come join the family, subscribe to get videos like these every week. So I will be using the 3 dots to create an ombre effect. I know that the 2 first ones that I just applied to the nail looks very similar, but trust and believe me, they are not, but they're very pretty. I felt like I haven't done some bright vibrant colors. You guys know what I'm saying. Then I'll go in with the sponge and kind of sponge it out so you get a natural fade, and then I'll cure it, and then I'll do the application once more again. But guys, I have something to say, that the first case of coronavirus is in Jamaica, and I am stressed out. Like, I mean, you're not supposed to panic, but like, oh my god, after you hear all of them news about China and how much death, wow, I am stressed I'm stressed out. So now I'm going in with some foil, because I'll be using foil to apply some foil onto the nail. What was I saying? I lost my train of thought. But anyways, so I'm going to curate it like a French, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds just to be sure that nothing go wrong with the foiling process. So I'll cure that for 60 seconds, and then I'll go in. I don't know what type of art you call this. I don't know what type of art, but I love it. I love it. But so I will go in depth with why the nails look the way that they do on my next video, and I'll spill the beans over there, as I said. So subscribe to my channel. But anyways, I was talking about coronavirus, and I mean, everybody's tripping in Jamaica right about now. Everybody going to the pharmacy, everybody buying vitamins. I mean, it's chaotic. I'm so happy that I am based at home. I do everything at home, but once in a while I need to go to these various public places to get stuff done. But I'm just stressing. But it's all up to persons with protecting themselves, because you have these unhygienic people who feel as if like them can sneeze and it's fine. No, that's no. Because once like, I was a clean freak, I was a hygienic freak when I was in high school. When persons sneeze or cough, I was the first one to give them some hand sanitizer. Like, come on, what you doing? You're about to spread your virus. But yeah, I'm tripping. But the only thing is best is that you remain calm. Do what you gotta do. You use hand sanitizer, your alcohol, your rum, your bleach. Make sure your Lysol spray, your Clorox wipes, make sure you have them all on deck. Your alcohol, if you don't have any of that, I just listed a while ago. Ensure that you have your alcohol. Just ensure you're protected, guys, because this seems severe. And based on the updates and everything that I'm hearing, is that it's elderly people who are dying. It's so sad though. But anyways, so yeah, so be careful. I just want everybody to be safe. This corona thing seems pretty serious, but at the same time it's not serious. if you know where I'm going with this. So yeah, so it can be serious if you allow it to be serious. So take precaution, be safe, clean up after yourself, ensure that where you are, is wiped down, the airplane, the bus, cars, public transportation. No matter if it's your own car, ensure that it's clean and ensure that so yeah, because this virus is coming. So I mean, so I'm doing it. I was just ranting and going off, and I didn't even realize that the video was even going on. But yes, I'll be doing the same thing as the thumb on my pointer finger or my ring finger, on my ring finger, and then I'll be going around it with the black around it. Create a nice little effect. So bomb. I am loving it. So once again, guys, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to Bear Beauty. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoy what I post, and if you want to see regular postings from moi, hit that bell so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week. I can't give you exactly when I will post because my other job, you know how that goes. So just be on the lookout. So just turn on your post notification and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on all my social medias, which is one social media, which is Instagram at Bear Beauty Services. I tend to post a little bit more often over there. I suck at posting stuff, so stay with me. So here are the nails after I'm done. I didn't really like the glossy effect, so I was like, okay, alright, I'm going to mat these nails out right about now. See, looking bomb. So which one of them do you like? Do you like the gloss look, or do you like the matte look? I am loving the matte look. I'm living for this matte look. It's looking so bomb. But anyways, guys, thank you so very much for watching. Be safe, take precaution, wipe down everything if possible. If you're sick, stay away. That's all for today. Thank you so very much for tuning in. Peace.